Welcome back. It's been how long? A couple months?
It's probably closer to 3 months.
We're back. We had to take some time there, but we're working on this current project. This is our current status. As you can see, it's looking freshly painted.
They're going to want to stick around for this one because new crankshaft.
Good.
Brand new crankshaft.
Brand new.
We're going to rebuild that whole hogshead. And it's getting a Ferranti. Overhead valves.
I know.
Oh, you knew? Oh, I thought you were new. And we've got the block back from sandblasting. That's all looking pretty.
It is looking pretty.
It's going to go to the machine shop next. Can't tell if I'm recording or not.
I think so.
Yeah, must be.
Hopefully.
All right. Anyway, while we have the little girl here, guess what?
We got more mail.
Pick a box. Oh, we got super clean too. This is.
Oh, yeah.
I shot footage of cleaning this stuff before it went to sandblasting, and we used this. But I have been very, very, very lazy with editing due to a personal situation. That yeah, but we're back.
Should we start with a small box?
Anything you want to start with? Look at your knife.
I'll start with this one because I know what it is, so it's less of a surprise.
Okay.
What is it called? How do you pronounce that? Forsher?
Forsher, I guess.
Forsher?
Yeah.
We got. Mind my pronunciation, but Forsher
Oh, so I'm
LED.
aiming the
Right.
camera at your torso instead of your head. No, I was below that.
Get out of here. Okay, so we get that.
Yes, this is a daddy-daughter show. Let's keep it PG.
Yeah, I hope so. None of y'all be weird.
You want to take a look?
Okay, that's perfect timing.
You're going to have to be a little bit louder, though.
I can't.
And I need to be a little bit softer. Unless I hold the camera like this, and then we have to be equal.
Okay. I think I got it open. Let's attempt to not get these dirty.
Anticipation's killing me.
That was the slowest box opening I've ever seen. Okay. Some zip ties.
All right, now don't touch the lens. Let's just be.
I know how light bulbs work.
Do you know what they're for?
The Jeep.
Yep. So we're going to put these in the Jeep at some
Physical
point.
packaging.
It's not going to be today, I don't think, unless you want to.
Not necessarily.
And so we're going to do that.
It's exciting.
I also have, and I bought these upgrades for the backup lights for the Jeep as well.
Also a new car. Potentially try products on.
Yeah, we got a she got a new Honda.
Here, I can pull off my license plate and I'll show them.
Why, everybody else sees your license plate. Everybody sees my license plate. Yes, she is an aunt.
Stop!
She got a new car.
2019 Honda Accord.
She's very, very happy with it.
I'm very happy.
So
I love this thing. It's the nicest thing I've ever had. So it's very me too. So well, it'd be more me if it was a truck. That's beside the point.
So what do you think's in those big boxes?
I don't know.
I can't aim at you out here. I can't see the screen.
Actually, I have no idea. Maybe another welder.
All right, let's do
heavy?
let's do a box. If the UPS guy can bring that by, you can pick it up.
What's that supposed to mean?
You're not weak.
No, I'm not. Stronger than most females.
You're gonna have to speak way up.
I said I'm stronger than most females. I should probably tilt this.
Everybody note the position of the arrows on the outside of the box.
Wait, I don't even see the arrows. Are they on the other side?
You have them pointing down, but continue.
Down?
Mhm.
Oh, well, I didn't even notice them. This looks upright to me.
What is it?
I don't know.
I don't even know what's in it.
It looks pretty upright to me. I'm also cutting towards myself. Whoa, whoa. I'm a calf sleep robot right now. This looks pretty upright to me.
Stop turning.
It's only plasma cutter. That's exciting.
Pilot Arc Plasma Cutter. Yeah, we better hang on to that so we know where it came from. Salatu. I don't know.
65 amp plasma cutter, large LED display.
This
Non-touch pilot arc.
This is either Best Arc or Arc Captain, and I don't remember which right now. But it is definitely Salatu. Barada Nictu.
Huh?
That was a joke.
I don't know.
Somebody will get it.
I don't.
Anyway, what's in that next one? We're short on time today, so we're just opening because she's here, and if she comes back before I play with them, then she'll get to play with them.
My tag's sticking out. Yeah, that's great. You have to cut that out.
I'm not filming behind you. This is Smart Fan, Pilot Arc.
I'm seeing another smart fan on this one too, so
Oh, it's the same company?
I don't know.
I don't know. I
Yeah.
have a bunch of people.
It's another plasma cutter.
Oh, that's the 550 and this is the 650. I see. You've got this one, right? That's TC 550
Yeah.
and this is the 650.
This is
All right, I remember now. I don't remember who it was. Somebody took over for Colin, I think.
did?
Yeah, I think somebody took over for Colin, and I think this is. But I talked to Abby at Best Arc too, so I don't know. Does it say in the box what company it is?
Pilot arc?
I'm gonna have to go through my email. I'm gonna put it on the screen because she sent me one to try and one to give away.
It's exciting.
So we're gonna have to find somebody to give one of them away to.
Comment
Everything,
down below.
yeah, everybody that
Should sign it, my autograph on it.
the stuff that was sent before, like this stuff,
Yeah.
they wanted us to use.
One of them's for a giveaway.
Yeah,
so
one of these is for giveaway. So
Probably the 550.
so we'll just leave one in the box maybe,
Yeah. Why don't we use the 650?
and then I'll have to ship it out unless somebody local that gets it. I'll have to see. Well, we can lose the big boxes now
Yeah.
if you want. Take up a little bit less room. We'll do a one-shot video this time.
Yeah.
No editing. Does that say what company it came from? Is it Best Arc or Arc Captain? Doesn't say.
No.
Give me that one.
The same thing.
Well, I'm gonna put them in
Yeah.
my pocket. I'll look them up when we get in there.
So
But yeah, this is exciting.
this is exciting. Another plasma cutter. The first one was fun too, so I'm excited.
Well, we got still there.
I know. So the other ones, the others too.
I wonder what color they are.
My guess is red. That's my guess.
All right. Well, if you want to see these, one of these in use, if you want to maybe end up with one of them, put a comment, put a like.
What?
Tell this little girl that you like her when she's over here.
We'll see it like that.
What? I love having my little girl here.
Good. But
Okay.
I'm cooler than everybody else,
Uh-oh.
including my siblings.
All right. Now I don't want you here anymore.
Did you guys hear that? Say I'm cooler than my siblings. I know.
All right. Well, anyway, I owe the owner of this an update. There it is. We're waiting on parts.
And
It's live.
Can I help you?
Yeah, we're waiting for parts. I should have parts Thursday, so maybe next weekend we can get back on it.
Yeah.
I'm waiting for pistons. As soon as I get the pistons, I can send that block out
Yeah.
to get it bored, but they need to know what size. So, we're waiting for that. We got Sneezy, one of the little dwarfs over here.
I'm not a dwarf.
Oh. I know somebody who is.
Oh.
The third party.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh, sketties.
Apparently, he's a dwarf. I'm going to call him Mini-Me.
Stop it. Stop it, Timothy.
All right. That's going to be it. We're out of time. What do you say?
Good night, Gracie.